All eyes on me. Live life of a thug nigga until the day I die. Live life of a boss player. All eyes on me. Live life of a thug nigga until the day I die. Live life of a boss player. It's even getting high. Hey, live my life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live my life as a boss player. It's even getting high. These niggas got me tossing shit. I put the top down. Now it's time to floss my shit. Keep your head up, nigga. Make these motherfuckers suffer. Up in the bins, burning rubber. The money is mandatory. The hoes is for the stressful. Trimming the lifestyle. You crook with the bulletproof vest. Make sure your eyes is on the meal ticket. Get your money, motherfucker. Let's get rich and real. Kick it. All eyes on me. Live life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live life as a boss player. All eyes on me. Live life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live life as a boss player. It's even getting high. Live life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live life as a boss player. I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the fumble, I don't think they know. Straight to the depths of hell is where those cowards gone. Well, all your shield down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let this devil be soft for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride, hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get crossed later. The future's in my eyes. Cause all I want is cash and things. I'm 5 double O, bands pumping flashy rings. Bitches pursue me like a dream. Been known to disappear, work out like a dope ring. I see it on the name, we made to pay the game sharp. Fucking razor blade. Save money, bring bitches, bitches bring lies. One niggas getting jealous and motherfuckers die. Depend on me like the first and 50. They might hold me for a second, but they both won't get me. We got 4 niggas and low riders and ski ass screaming thug like every time they pass. All eyes on me. Live the life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Live the life of a boss player. All eyes on me. Live the life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Live the life of a boss player. It's even getting hot. Hey, to my nigga Pop. Live the life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Live the life of a boss player. All eyes on me.
I'm a pimp, hoes falling for the trippin' back game. Slowly dip that tempo just enough to keep these bitches tight. Slowly dip that tempo just enough to keep these bitches tight.
senta em mim. Muito bem dessa mina, a peça nós já conhece. Sei muito bem dessa mina, a peça nós já conhece. Ela pode, ela pode, ela pode, ela pode.
I give her she I man, ayy. She put her 10 on my dick, ayy. Look at my wrist about 10, ayy. Just got a pound of the booth, ayy. Bought that straight to the booth, ayy. Tell me my health is a fool, ayy. She said one for which I do, ayy. You put a gun on my mask, ayy. I put a hole in your parents, ayy. I just got lean on my smoothies, ayy. I got a Uzi, no Uzi. Look at me, ayy. Fuck on me, yeah. Look at me, look at me, look at me, yeah. Look at me, yeah. Look at me, yeah. Look at me, look at me, look at me, yeah. Look at me, look at me, yeah. Hey, shouts out Benz, you know. Hey. I took a watch the store, plus that little got a throat. I like the rock, but I'm misfit. My emo like a wrist slit. Curly hair like I'm poor, pink. Got like the I'm more, man. On your man for head. Don't want your just want. Look at me. 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 Yeah, hey, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah.
It's all eyes on me. Little life of a good nigga till the day I die. Little life of a boss player. All eyes on me. Little life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Little life of a boss player till the day I die. Live my life as a thug nigga till the day I die. Live my life as a boss player, cause even getting high. These niggas got me tossing shit. I put the top down, got time to floss my shit. Keep your head up, nigga, make these motherfuckers suffer. Up in the bins, burning rubber. The money is mandatory. The hoes is for the stress. It's tripping the lifestyle. Cook up the bulletproof vest. Make sure your eyes is on the meal ticket. Get your money, motherfucker. Let's get rich and real. Kick it. All eyes on me. Little life is a thug nigga till the day I die. Little life is a boss player. All eyes on me. Little life is a thug nigga till the day I die. Little life is a boss player. Even getting high. Little life is a thug nigga till the day I die. Little life is a boss player. Even getting high. Little life is a thug nigga till the day I die. Little life is a boss player. Even getting high. I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the bump, but I don't think they don't. Straight to the depths of hell is where those cops go. Well, all you see down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let this devil go. The day they finally free me, I got it out of random niggas every time we ride. Hit the motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get crossed later. The future's in my eyes. Cause all I want is cash and things. I 5 double